Wow, look at that. This is from the slime you made yourself, right?
Yeah.
Aoife, you're a star.
Hey guys, I'm Aoife. I'm Mira, Aoife's cousin. And today we're making slime.
Yes, today we're going to be making slime. Are you guys happy? Excited?
Yeah.
How excited are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
This
This much? Wow. Okay, so what do you have to do before we start?
Make sure to subscribe our video. Like.
Yes.
And click the post notification bells.
And also do not forget to share.
And
Yes.
also subscribe.
Yes, of course. Subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And without further ado, let's get on with this video.
Yeah. Let's get started.
Let's get started. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are the ingredients? Would you guys like to tell what the ingredients are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Glue. So we have 2 bottles of glue.
Yes.
And we have 2 coloring. We
Yes.
have also this.
This? What is this? What do you think this
Paracel.
is? Paracel. It's the
And-
activator, yes?
Yeah. And we also have 2 glitters.
Yes, we have glitters. It is your choice to add in anything into your slime.
Okay.
Right, guys?
Yeah.
So, let's get started with the glues?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot how to make slime.
Let's pour in the glues?
Yeah. I put on.
Yes. So, Merha, pour it all in. Let's see what Aoife's doing here. Pouring the glue as well. Wow, looks so good. Wow, looks so pretty.
Yeah.
Keep pouring, keep pouring. So we're going to add in the... Okay, so the girls are mixing
Oh, it's getting a little bit better.
the glue. I don't know what they're mixing in the glue. But what's the next step, you guys?
Adding food coloring.
Food coloring.
Right now.
Okay, what color did you guys choose?
Blue.
Blue. So we chose blue food coloring.
It kind of like dark.
Yes. And I'm actually going to be helping you guys with this.
Because you said it.
Yes, because you guys are small little girls.
Like
Yes,
baby
okay.
girls.
Baby girls, yes. Okay. Add 1 drop. Aoife, you want to help her with it?
Okay.
Okay. Add 1 tiny drop. Pour it in.
It's not pouring yet.
Pour it in.
I can't. Pour.
Okay. Yes. Now Merha mix that in. And Aoife?
All of it?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, it looks so pretty.
Yes.
Ready.
Aoife has also added in her food coloring. And now we mix. Wow. Look at how beautiful that looks. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Wow. Looks
It's getting
so
lighter and
beautiful.
lighter.
Yes. Okay, we are going to mix in the food coloring and then move on to the next step. Okay, the next step is glitter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. So we're gonna add some.
We're still mixing glue.
Yes, I'll help you guys with that.
Oh, that's really pretty.
You can mix that in. Mix it in, mix it in.
I'm doing it.
Adding glitter is optional. You guys can actually choose whatever add-ins you want.
For the first time I'm making slime.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, it's time for the last step, which is activating this mixture in order for it to become slime, right?
I'm just gonna mix it though.
Okay, you guys can mix it a few more while I explain the activators. So we are using detergent. We are using Persil, but you guys can use any type of activator that you want. You can use borax as well, and you can use baking soda and contact lens solution. Right, girls?
Baking soda pops out a cold down when you put Mentos.
Yeah, baking soda, you know. Okay, now let's add our activator and activate it into slime.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So you're just gonna add activator and make sure to add little by little at a time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Make sure to add little by little.
And now I'm mixing it.
Yes.
It looks so pretty.
As you can see, it'll start to clump up together and form slime.
It's already learning.
Yes.
Mine's not learning because I mixed it already.
Yes. So, let's activate these very quickly.
Yeah.
And then we will show you guys how the slime looks like.
Yeah.
And also, what do you guys have to do after you activate it?
You have to play with
Mix it, yes,
And
with your
knead it.
hands. Yes, and knead it with your hands.
Yeah.
Right, girls?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't eat the slime.
Yeah, you can't eat the slime.
Otherwise you will get sick.
Yes, it's not good for you.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So now we add a bit more detergent
Uh-huh.
into both.
Then we mix it a little again.
Then you mix it a little bit more until it becomes slime.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just going to repeat this process a few more times.
Already. This is
Yes.
so tender.
We're going to repeat this
It's sticking to my
process.
spoon. It's sticking to my spoon.
Yes. We're going to repeat this process a few more times and then we'll show you guys the final. Okay. When it starts to clump up like this is when you go in with your hands and you knead it and keep adding more detergent until you get slime. So we're just going to knead this until it's not sticking to my hand.
Guys, we're finally done with the slime.
And this is how it looks.
Yes.
Yes. Do you guys want to play with it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So now you can play with it and knead it. Ooh.
Oh,
Ooh.
I gotta add two.
Stretchy. Is it stretchy?
Yeah. And sticky.
And sticky, a bit sticky still?
Yeah. You could play with it and then it doesn't.
Yeah, you have to just knead it and it'll be less sticky.
And leave it.
Yes. She's kneading it. And so is she. Okay, so that's our slime video.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys?
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Please do not forget to give it a like and do not forget to subscribe and share.
And click the post notification bell.
Yes. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video
And sticking to my arm.
about slime.
Yeah.
And hope to see you guys next time.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.